Buddy, it's Dylan's Airplanes Productions here, and we got a Amtrak 284 coming this way at Bolivar Crossing. He just left the station. It's Empire 284. And he's on his way here. I heard him, he's trying to warn us from the Kirkville area. And yup, there he is. He's almost here. There they go. I forgot the engine number because I was not, because it was a little bit going a little fast in the sun. Well, there we have it, guys. The Amtrak 284. Well, hopefully we have a CSX freight coming here soon. I'll look it up what number it was leading. Yeah, on its way to New York City.